ChatGPT has a feature that runs prompts while you sleep, drops the results straight in your inbox. Most people pay $20 a month and never touch it. Today, you fix that. It's called tasks. You give ChatGPT a prompt, you tell it when to run, and it just goes. Once. Every day. Every Monday morning. Whenever you want. OpenAI shipped it last September. And honestly, the headline is kind of wild. Your AI assistant works on a schedule now. Not on demand. Not when you remember to ask. On a real schedule, like a person you hired. Okay, setting this up is almost embarrassingly easy. Open ChatGPT. Pick the GPT-4o model, type your prompt, and anywhere in that prompt, just write the time. Every weekday at 7 a.m., summarize the top 3 AI news stories. Hit send. ChatGPT confirms. Done. Every task you create lives at chatgpt.com/schedules. Pause it, edit it, kill it. Anytime. Here's the use case that flipped it for me. A morning briefing. Every weekday at 7 a.m., ChatGPT scans the latest news in my industry, picks the top 5 stories, and emails them. I wake up, sip my chai, read the brief on my phone. No scrolling Twitter for 40 minutes. No opening 12 tabs. The brief is already there. For a working professional in India, that's the entire morning research ritual. Automated. Done before you brush your teeth. Use case 2. Competitor watch. Every Monday at 9 a.m., summarize what my top 3 competitors posted on LinkedIn this week. Flag anything that changed. Founders, salespeople, content creators. They live for this one. You stop manually stalking competitors. ChatGPT does it on a loop. Use case 3 is the personal one. Every Sunday at 8 p.m., ask me what I shipped this week. ChatGPT becomes your weekly review partner. Or this one. Every morning, give me one question to journal about today. Your AI isn't a tool you call anymore. It's a habit that calls you. Quick honesty check. There's a cap. 10 active tasks at a time. Plenty for most people. You need ChatGPT Plus, which runs about $20 a month. Roughly 1,999 rupees on Indian billing. Works on web, iOS, Android, and Mac. Windows is on the roadmap. And here's the kicker. It's officially still in beta, which is why almost nobody knows it exists. One last thing. The best tasks have a very specific output format. Don't just say summarize news. Say give me 5 bullet points, each under 20 words with a source URL. Be ruthlessly specific. ChatGPT delivers exactly that. Every single morning. That's the unlock. The schedule is the easy part. The format is where the magic lives. Open ChatGPT today. Set one task, just one. Tomorrow morning, see what shows up. Stay ahead of AI, one tool at a time. Like, subscribe, and tell us which AI tool are you actually using.